Welcome back, students. In this video we will discuss about the closed linear transformation definition. Okay, based on that there are 3 or 4 results, those also we will discuss. Firstly, closed linear transformation. देखो, क्लोज्ड लीनियर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन नेम से ही पता लग रहा है देयर विल बी सम लीनियर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन एंड दैट लीनियर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन यू हैव टू शो कि दैट इज क्लोज्ड आल्सो. ऑलराइट, तो देखो कैसे शो करेंगे एंड ऑन नॉन लीनियर स्पेस हाउ इट इज डिफाइंड, दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. क्योंकि क्लोज्ड की बेसिक डेफिनेशन हम क्या लगाते हैं, वी यूज्ड टू से कि दैट सेट which we want to show it is closed. What we used to say it will contain all its limit point. Okay, but here is something different. So let us see closed linear transformation. Let n and n dash be two normed linear spaces. There are two normed linear spaces n and n dash. Okay, D be the subspace of domain n. D be the subspace of domain n. Okay, now T transformation defined from D to n dash. Linear transformation which is defined from the subspace D to n dash is said to be closed if and only if. One more thing that I want to highlight कि in definition either it is mentioned or not कि that definition is if and only if. You always assume it is if and only if, and you can use that definition statement in any way. In forwards you can say in forward way or in backward way, any way, क्योंकि definition if and only if already होती है, उसको mention करूँ या ना करूँ. Here I mentioned but sometimes I didn't mention. That doesn't mean कि this statement is not if and only if statement. Definition is always if and only if statement. Okay, said to be closed if and only if xn converging to x, xn belongs to D, and T of xn converging to y. This is given to you. This imply कि x belongs to domain D and T of x is equal to y. Done. So this is the definition of closed linear transformation.